spherical capacitor made up of two concentric spherical conductors, spherical conductor A and spherical conductor B. Spherical conductor A is placed inside of spherical conductor B. Both spheres are hollow and placed concentric. The space between the spheres can be filled with suitable dielectric material to increase the capacitance. When a positive charge plus Q is given to inner sphere A, it spreads uniformly over the outer side of sphere A. And an equal amount of negative charge Q is induced on inner surface of sphere B. And plus Q charge is induced on the outer surface of sphere B. When we earth the outer side of sphere B, then induced charge plus Q flows to the earth. Let A be the radius of inner sphere and B be the radius of outer sphere. Electric field within sphere A is 0 and electric field outside of sphere B is also 0. Electric field E exists between the space of two spheres and directed outward radially. Let VA be the potential of inner sphere and VB with the potential of outer sphere. Then potential of inner sphere is given by Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught B. That is VA equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 upon A minus 1 upon B, and VB equals to 0. That is potential of outer sphere equals to 0. Let VAB be the potential difference between two spheres. Then VAB equals to difference of potential of sphere A and sphere B. Thus, VAB equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by B minus A upon AB. Let C be the capacitance of spherical capacitor. Then capacity C equals to total charge upon potential, that is Q upon VAB. Therefore, C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by AB upon B minus A.